All right. So,
Yeah.
Americans say candy, and what Jamaicans say?
Sweetie.
Sweetie?
Yeah.
What they say?
Sweetie.
Sweetie?
Yeah.
All right. So, Americans say peanut butter, and what Jamaicans say?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter?
Yeah.
Really? How do you say it?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter?
Yeah.
All right. So, Americans say, I'm going to the party with my kid, and what Jamaicans say?
Me go party with my picnic.
You what?
Me go party with my picnic.
With my picnic?
Yeah.
But they say picnic?
Yeah.
Americans say fingers, and Jamaicans say...
Finger.
What they say?
Finger.
Finger?
Yeah.
They be saying finger?
Yeah.
All right, so Americans say avocado, and what Jamaicans say?
Pear.
What they say?
Pear.
Pear?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
They be saying pear? Say bye.
Bye.
Why is he scared? You scared?
You better behave. I don't know what you're saying, but I know it's not a good word.
Dumb.
Dumb? Are you calling me dumb? No, I'm not dumb. Your daddy is dumb. Yes, he is.
Dumb.
Mama's not dumb.
Dumb.
Your daddy.
Dumb.
No.
Dumb.
And stop.
Watch this. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Oh, praise the Lord.
What you looking at me like that for?